Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review of the Shark StainForce. I recently picked this up to clean some stains that my son put on this couch. These are orange juice stains, so we'll see how well it works today. So let's pull it out and see what it looks like. So this is the main unit. Actually a really cool looking little unit, all wireless, and it's got actually a wireless charger on it. But this is where you let the water out. It's got a few attachments. This actually flips around. Use this side for dry stains, and if you flip it around you can use it for wet stains. Sorry, this is my first time doing this, so there we go. Okay, you've got to push it in. So this side's for wet stains and this side's for dry stains. So since it's a dry stain, we're going to use it that side today. This is how you empty it, and the whole thing comes apart so you can clean it. Again, that's the wireless charging right there. And then this little base thing is actually what you use to clean it. So you just fill this with water and put it in there and push the button and it cleans itself. It comes with this nice stain remover. It's actually two things that mix together as one and comes out to fight the stain. Really cool. More attachments right there in the middle. So I'm really excited to use this, so let's see how well it works. So again, because it's a dry stain, we're going to use the yellow side. And what you're going to want to do is just rub this back and forth a bunch with the yellow side before you do anything else. Just rub it back and forth. And what this is supposed to do is break up the stain before you even spray it with the cleaner. Which makes sense because you want to get as much up as possible. So after you scrub this, you're supposed to turn on the vacuum, kind of suck out as much of the dry debris as possible, because you don't want to accidentally work that into the couch. Okay, now we can just turn it on without any fluid or liquid on there and just suck up any dry stuff that's on there. And just right off the bat, it didn't really do anything that I can see personally, but we'll see what it does once we spray it. So this is a special StainForce spray we're going to use, and it says just get it all over. Basically make this thing super wet because the machine's going to suck up as much as possible. There you go. You can see the stain even better now after I sprayed it. So I'm just going to keep going over this, and I'm just going to saturate the whole area. So now that you've saturated the whole area, you're supposed to scrub it one more time. And look at that, you can actually see the orange color starting to come up from the orange juice, which means the stain remover is working, and this is helping it actually work into it more. That stain is really pronounced now, way worse than it was before, so let's turn this on and see what it does. Oh my goodness, look at that difference right there just off one pass. That's crazy. Let's go again. Yeah, it's definitely starting to take that stain right out. I'm actually really impressed. You can actually see the orange up inside the water tank. So I'm just going to go over this a couple more times and see how it does. So far I'm pretty impressed with this. As you can see, the stain is there still a little bit, so I'm going to go over it a couple more times and let it dry. But right off the bat, I'm really happy with this product, so let's see what happens after I go over it. So after going over it one more time, it actually took it out. So I actually only went over one more time. I'm very impressed with this. I'm not sure how long it'll last. Most people say it'll last about 30 minutes while using it. So I'm going to test it out later. But I really like this product so far. It seems like it's easy to clean, easy to use. Hope this review helps, and we'll see you all next time.